Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you escovitch chicken. Get a bowl. Today I'm using a chicken's breast and wing. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar and add enough water. And kind of wash the chicken's parts properly. Remove the chicken's skin from the breast only. If you like skin, you can always keep it on. After that, throw off that water and give your chicken's parts a final rinse. It's best if you do this part on a fresh running water. Gently squeeze the chicken, remove excess water. If not, put it in a colander and allow it to drain. That's not necessary. Just give it a little squeeze and get off the excess water. I'm going to wash my hands. Next, Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use chili pepper. Just cut it and use half. Next, I cut the onion in half. It's easier to handle. Remove brown leaf. The first layer of the onion is the strongest. However, if it's spoiled, remove it, like this one. I am showing you the healthier way to do this. Nevertheless, you could use a teaspoon between a tablespoon of onion powder instead. And if you're using all-purpose powdered seasoning, use 1 teaspoon plus 1 teaspoon onion powder instead. And maybe a 1/4 teaspoon between half teaspoon cayenne pepper. That is optional. Slice onion. Add it to the chicken in the bowl with the pepper. Use your finger and kind of massage the seasonings in the chicken. Once you do that, you can always wear a glove, a food glove, if you're not comfortable touching meat with your hands. Alright, after that, use a lid and seal the bowl properly. Put it aside to marinate at least 30 minutes overnight in the refrigerator. If you're going to marinate it more than 24 hours, make sure you freeze it. Next, put to heat a medium-sized saucepan. Put the stove gauge on 4, medium-low. Be sure the saucepan is dry. So put to heat a dry saucepan. It's allowed to get hot for 30 seconds or so. After a minute between 2, add oil. This is some oil that I used and fried some chicken last time. Add 2 between 3 cups of cooking oil. I use coconut oil. The objective is fill the saucepan a 1/4 between 1/3, no more than that. Just allow. Once you see a little smoke, that means it's ready for frying. 5 between 6 minutes later, and you see a little smoke like this. Now, get your chicken ready for frying. Therefore, use a cooking fork like this. Remove the onion from the chicken. And then, if you don't want to deep fry, the alternative way escovitch chicken is use a skillet or Dutch pot. Add enough cooking oil to cover the bottom, an inch high. Allow the oil to get hot. Fry chicken between 6 minutes on each side. Add the chicken's breast to the heating oil cautiously or with caution. Watch for overflow. You see, that's why I say squeeze the chicken. You gotta make sure most of the water is out of the chicken. It's the water that's why it tends to want to overflow. So the more water you get out of the chicken, the better it is. After that, add the chicken's wing on the other side of the heating oil. Alright, that's it. Just allow it to fry on that side. Don't move it at all. It's been 3 minutes. Just let it stay. Don't move it. Don't shift it. Just allow it to fry on one side first. I'm just showing it to you. Between 6 minutes. Now would be a good time to flip the chicken. So do as you see me doing. Go through and flip each chicken part. That was the breast. Now the wing. Get Cookbook fried chickens. Alive. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Get recipe book fried chickens. It's been 10 minutes. I'm not gonna move it. I'm just showing it to you. Just allow frying. 12 minutes now. It's finished, but I like my chicken kind of fry a little dry. You can always take it out now if you want. Trust me, it's finished. So I'm just let it stay for a minute or two. 14 minutes, you're completely finished. This is what you want. That's the color you want, a nice golden color. So get a plate and place the chicken, the fried chicken on a thick paper towel. It's best if you do this part with a basket. Escovitch chicken or Escovitch chicken. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try cooking this meal yourself and give us feedback. Alright, this is how I would serve it. Just get a steak knife and just cut steak. In the Chinese restaurants, it's known as chicken steak. Get recipe book fried chickens. When you purchase, take time out, leave a comment, let people know your experience using this cookbook. Escovitch chicken. I'm calling this recipe chicken escovitch. In the Chinese restaurants, it's known as chicken steak. When I watched the African comedy shows, and if it happens to be fried chicken on a plate with rice in the show, at home or a restaurant, this is how the fried chickens looked every time. It looks like Escovitch chicken. You can have this chicken steak or Escovitch chicken with salad. plain white rice, bread. Today I'm having it with roll. It's just clean and flavorful. This is a piece chicken wing that I'm eating right now. You can always pour some ketchup on it. But it's a nice chicken. Or you can eat it like this. Some chicken sticks or chicken finger or chicken, I was gonna say tenders, and I'm not sure this is tenders. If you served this Escovitch chicken on rice and add steak gravy, that will make it chicken steak for sure. I didn't add any salt to this chicken. By eating it now, I could have added a teaspoon of salt. This Escovitch chicken is kind of fresh without salt, but tastes great. If you're cooking for kids, add a teaspoon of salt. I use sea salt. Get Cookbook fried chickens. Alright. Until next time. Bye.
Yeah, man!